Snapchat lets you like videos and content, but finding them later can be tricky. In this guide, I'll show you step by step on how to see all the videos you've liked on Snapchat so that you can easily revisit your favorites. So first, go ahead and open the Snapchat application on your mobile device. Then after, tap on the play button in the bottom right corner of your screen. Now go ahead and like a video. To see all the videos that you've liked, including stories and video in messages, you need to first go to your profile. From your profile page, scroll all the way down, and there you will see the section of My Favorites and Repost. Go ahead and tap on View All option, and you'll be able to see all your reposts and your favorites in this section. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. Remember that you can only see the list. You can rewatch, like, or unlike videos from this page. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.